Okay, so what do I do if I need help? 如果你覺得自己平時返學好 stress 喎，好唔開心，咁你有啲乜嘢 resources 係可以 reach out to 嘅呢？好啦，咁第一個呢就係 school-based 嘅 stress relief 啦。咁 school-based 啦，大家都知道有好多老師啊、counselor 喺嗰度嘅。咁佢哋咧都係 there to help you with what you're going through。你去 reach out to 佢哋有 experience， 有佢哋嘅 qualification， 佢哋係都會好樂意去幫你嘅。咁除咗老師啦 ，community 入邊咧都會有啲 neighborhood 嘅 youth centers 嘅。咁我而家介紹一個咧就係 from JC Level Mind Wellness Hubs 嘅。咁呢一個咧就佢哋有啲 youth centers 咧就係比較時尚嘅設計啦，就係 modern cafe 咁樣嘅，好似咁就會提供咗一啲好 safe 嘅 space 俾你哋去讀書啊，約朋友一齊可能食下嘢啊，或者佢哋會有啲 recharging events 嘅，就係例如佢哋會有啲 knitting class 啊、音樂嘅興趣班啊、手工工作坊，甚至係 cosmetics 嘅班都會有嘅。咁如果你覺得好大壓力啦，要放鬆一下，但係唔知去邊喎，咁你就可以去揾呢啲 wellness hubs 嗰度會有適當嘅資源去俾你啦。好，咁如果都知道好多人唔想 reach out， 就係因為好驚人哋點睇，可能對 face to face 嘅 communication 覺得好唔知點樣去 approach 喎，好難咁樣喎。咁香港咧都有好多 text-based 嘅 support 係可以提供到俾你啦。咁我而家呢個例子咧就係 from Open Up 嘅。咁你 Google 就咁打 Open Up， 其實都已經好快揾到噶啦。咁佢就係一個 confidential 啦、免費噶啦，同埋 text only 嘅 crisis platform，built specifically for 你哋呢一個年紀，就係 up to age 24都 OK 嘅。咁佢就 support 晒WhatsApp 啦、SMS 啦。咁其實 social media chats 都有嘅。咁如果你哋一時覺得好 overwhelmed 啦，唔知同邊個傾訴喎，都可以 reach out towards Open Up， 咁嗰度都可以有資源幫到你咯。好啦，咁嚟到一啲 more serious 嘅 hotlines 咯喎。咁喺一啲可能你已經有確診咗 mental illness 嘅朋友啦，可能佢哋或者係考試時期啦，真係好 stress 喎，真係有 suicidal thought 啦，有諗過可能冇乜意思喎，咁樣繼續落去，咁咧喺呢啲時候咧，我哋就 reach out to 一啲24/7嘅 crisis hotline 就可以。咁有個電話就係18111啦，咁呢一個就係一個 mental health support hotline 嚟嘅。咁呢一個咧就係政府嘅 base 啦，佢係 free 同埋 confidential 嘅 mobile hotline。咁如果你真係有啲 suicidal thought 咧，你打俾18111咧，都佢會有人喺後面會幫到你咯。咁另一個就係 Youth Link 啦，就係 Suicide Prevention Services 嘅。咁佢個電話咧就係238207777啦。咁呢一個就係一個 direct line staff by 後面有 individuals 啦，佢全部都係 train 咗啦，有 qualification 啦，係 specifically 去 target 一啲 suicide 嘅有 suicidal thought 同埋 ideation 嘅可能一啲同學咁樣啦，或者如果你有 family struggle 啦，你有面對屋企人 expectation 喎，你唔知點樣面對，好唔開心，棘住咗咁樣，咁你就可以 reach out to 呢個電話啦，佢後面都有人係幫到你嘅。咁最後一個咧就係 The Samaritans Befrienders Hong Kong 啦。咁呢個咧就係佢有兩個電話，2896開頭啦，後面如果0000嘅就係 multilingual 嘅 hotline 啦。如果係講廣東話嘅，咁你就可以打後面4個2嘅嗰個 hotline 嘅。咁嗰個就係 specifically for 講廣東話嘅人啦。咁佢呢一個咧就係俾咗一個24小時嘅 multilingual 嘅 emotional support line 俾任何人都得嘅。如果你真係好需要同人傾訴啊，但係唔知打去邊度啊，可能暫時身邊冇咩人係你夠膽 open up to 啊，你可以打呢個電話，咁佢都會幫到你咯。同埋如果你講咩語言，你可以打後面4條0嗰個電話，咁佢都會有人喺後面支援到你咯。好啦。咁講咗少少 external 嘅 resources 啦，咁而家就到一啲自己可以即時幫到自己嘅 self-help strategies 啦。好啦，咁第一個咧就叫 2-minute box breathing exercise。 咁 basically 佢叫 box breathing 啦，就係叫你 visualize 喺你一路吸呼嘅時候咧，就 visualize 一個正方形咁樣，所以係 box 啦。好啦，大家可以即時試下啦，就係咁，我哋首先就將隻腳擺平喺地下，跟住就坐直個人先，跟住隻手就擺喺大髀嗰度，跟住合埋隻眼。咁首先咧，我哋就會 inhale 4個 seconds 嘅。咁我哋就用鼻呼吸啦，跟住就喺心裏邊數1、2、3、4下咁樣。咁我哋就同時 visualize 去畫個 box 嘅第一面咯。跟住咧，我哋就 hold 我哋個 breath for 4個 seconds 啦。咁就畫埋個 box 嘅第二邊咯。咁我哋而家嚟啦，1、2、3、4，係啦。咁我哋就 exhale 咯，exhale 4秒。咁我哋 breathe out of 我哋個 mouth 啦，就畫埋個 box 嘅第3面喎。1、2、3、4，係啦。咁跟住我哋就 hold 埋我哋個 breath for 4個 seconds 啦。4、3、2、1，係啦。咁我哋就完成咗呢一個 exercise 啦。咁我哋通常咧就會做2個 rounds 嘅。咁其實做完嘅時候咧，如果你可能都會 feel 到你即時嘅 anxiety 或者 stress 啦，可能都已經減咗一大橛噶啦。好啦，第二個 self-help 嘅 technique 咧就係叫5、4、3、2、1 grounding technique 嚟嘅。咁佢就可以有助你去分心啦。如果你可能5分鐘後要考試，你真係成個腦都係，你陣間有可能去點樣出錯，可能有啲乜嘢內容你可能會唔記得喎。係咯，即係個腦入邊打晒仗一團糟咁樣。咁我哋就可以試下去 name 5樣我哋即時可以見到嘅嘢啦。就係例如你而家可能見到個 PowerPoint 啦，你而家見到你坐緊張凳係乜嘢色嘅，係藍色嘅喎。咁我哋就越盡量仔細啲咁樣去 list 我哋5樣見到嘅嘢啦。跟住就係係啦，跟住就係 move on to 4樣我哋掂到嘅嘢咯。所以就可能係而家呢個 lecture theatre 入邊開咗冷氣，你如果揸實個拳頭，你會 feel 到你隻手涼涼地咁樣，係啦，就係類似咁樣嘅嘢啦。同埋或者係你而家着住牛仔褲，你可能 feel 到牛仔褲係有啲 coarse 過嘅 texture， 就係類似啲咁樣咯。咁4樣之後咧就到3啦。3就係 things you can hear， 即係你可能聽到而家個冷氣佢吱聲喺後面咁樣咯。咁就到 2 things you can smell 啦，你2樣你會聞到嘅嘢。咁可能你今日噴咗香水，你個香水係咩味㗎？咁你就可能 internally 你心裡可以 list 下你個香水係好似咩味，可能好似花味，可能好似木味咁樣。咁你就慢慢去分散下你嘅注意力咁樣啦。咁就去到最尾一樣嘢就係 one thing you can taste， 即係可能你啱啱飲咗一啖咖啡，你個口一陣咖啡豆嘅味，咁就係咯，慢慢去咀嚼下你個 taste 個感官 feel 到啲乜嘢咯。